Ready to level up your data analytics and artificial intelligence skills? Whether you're starting from scratch, switching careers, or aiming for a promotion, Mastering Data Science course may help you to achieve your targets. The traditional courses of data science introduce different concepts and then demonstrate their applications on demo data with demo tasks. However, we strongly believe that data science can only be learned if we have real-time data and real-time problems in hand. Because most of the time, students understand the concepts along with their practical applications, but they do not know when and how to apply these concepts on real-time problems. Therefore, we have designed this course around 3 real-world projects that include real-time questions. From start to finish, we will practically solve the questions and discuss the theory of related concepts. It will help you not only understand the concept but apply the learnt concept on real-time problems. While completing the projects, you'll master the following topics: setting up environments, data loading, exploration, and merging, visualizing data with plots and maps, and diving into machine learning with feature engineering, regression, and classification. Once you master the skills, the course offers you 2 more challenging real-world tasks and the real-world data to test yourself. Join a community of learners, work on real-world projects, and gain the skills that employers value. Enroll now and take the next step in your data analytics journey. Your future in data starts here.